guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here unboxing an Influenster box. I have admittedly had this lying around for quite some time. Haven't opened it. Actually, I did peek inside, but that was like a year ago. No, I'm just kidding. It's been a while though. So it does say fragile liquid on it. I don't remember which one this is. It doesn't say on it. So we'll find out when we open it up. So if you're not familiar with Influenster, this is a great way if you're trying to start reviewing, or if you're just trying to get free products. Basically, they'll send you products, you try them out, and you share with your friends. Sometimes you don't even have to do that. Boxes just show up on my doorstep, and I'm like, okay. I've gotten a lot of great stuff through them, and yeah, I will put my referral down below. You guys always sign up through that, so thank you. All right, so let's get in here. All right, this is the Autumn Essentials box. All right, they do have an app, by the way. I only use it when I have to. Like if I have to share something, sometimes you have to do that. Try your product, do the tasks, take the survey. I personally don't like their brand of like making you like share things on your social networks. I think that's kind of cruddy, but I don't mind writing reviews, so I usually just do that. And I'm honest about it when whatever. All right, but I do like to do these unboxings because they're, they're fun. They are fun, right? All right, so first up, this is funny. Here is what it looks like with, the paper's on the top. It's an interesting eclectic mix for autumn. So first off, we have these Butterfinger Bites. These are 25 calories per piece, which means I won't be eating any of them. I'll be giving this to my kids. I don't put this stuff. I can't put this, actually I'm gonna have one. I'll allow myself that, and then I'll pass the rest on. So yummy, those were for autumn. I think that you could probably eat these any time of year though and enjoy them. Just saying. All right, moving along. This is actually really exciting. This is the Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner. If you have sensitive skin, you don't want to use alcohol on it. It's so drying. It's so, ugh. I can't, it like touches my face, and I'm like, especially in the winter, and I'm like dry, like chapped, my skin gets red. So this is alcohol free. It's called the Recharge, and it has grapefruit. This also has with wild crop certified witch hazel. It's a full size 8 ounces, and it has that fun like bamboo top. They do have other I want to say flavors. They're not flavors, don't drink them. It's a cucumber and then a pure witch hazel. So that cucumber sounds fun too, right? I don't know what the grapefruit's gonna smell like. We're gonna find out though together, and then I'll be sure to tell you. Don't worry. I don't have my trusty dusty scissors. Okay. All right. So there it is. There's the bottle, and it has an H on the top. That's very bougie, right? I haven't seen this brand ever, not even like Target. All right, what's going on here, homie? What the heck? How the heck do I open this? Oh, look at that. It's got the silver part, but it also has the white thing. What do I take off? Am I breaking it? I don't know. I think I was supposed to leave it alone. Ooh, it smells like alcohol. Like a smells like tequila. It has an agave smell to it. Wow, that's intense. It's wild ingredients, vegan and cruelty free. And then when you look in the bottle, they have like green inside the label, so it looks all pretty in there. I will definitely give this a try and see how it works. It says shake before use. After normal cleansing, moisten a cotton round and apply to face and neck in a gentle massaging motion. So there's that. That's cute. I'll try it out. So my final item are these 2 packets of Advil Multi-Symptom Cold and Flu. So I don't want a cold or a flu, because that basically at this time in our lives means I've got to stop everything I do and not go anywhere or anything. So let's all just cross our fingers and say a little prayer that that's not how this road goes. But these are nice to have on hand. These are a mixture, a blend, a pharmaceutical concoction of ibuprofen, phenylephrine, and chlorpheniramine maleate. I try not to take this stuff because it makes you woo-oo. But yeah, so there is that. So that's my Influencer box. Like I said, I'll link down below to my full review. Well, I guess I will. I'll also link to Influenster, as I said before. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.